You are searching for passive income on the blockchain, making the real deal? Then stay tuned. Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys. The channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest projects on the blockchain. Today we are talking about compounddefi.vip is their website, and compounddefi, a better, smarter contract. Explore the ultimate user experience and best engineering practice. So what exactly they offer us? Let's have a quick look. What is compounddefi? Compounddefi, a blockchain agreement. It is like a decentralized central bank that establishes a currency market through smart contracts. The money market is based on the supply and demand of assets, and the interest rate of the asset pool is derived through algorithm. Providers of USDT assets directly interact with smart contract agreements without any actual mortgage and automatically earn floating interest rates without negotiating maturity and interest rates or collateral and other with peers or counterparties terms. How it works? I will show you that exactly after I show you their homepage, how it really works. It allows USDT holders automatically explore the borrowing needs of the currency market and automatically match higher interest orders after agreeing to authorize the execution of this contract. It is an AMM mechanism and an automatic quantification procedure. Your deposit is always in your own wallet without withdrawal, and you can withdraw the interest earned to your wallet at any time. Become a miner, hand over the smart contract agreement, and automatically earn income. So you are just participate what others already are doing. You are just giving 4 pools your USDT and earn interest. You are like a small Binance, but you are your own Binance, which just lend, or not even lend, it is just a part of transaction. There are always liquidity needed for, and the one who provide liquidity always earn money, right? Where we going? The crypto economy is a radical new imagination of the future of work. Open protocols will create transparency and opportunity, enabling anyone in the world to contribute their talents to a global economy. We want to support this vision and build the new coordination mechanism of the internet age. So you can see here, services, high interest in yield, on-demand liquidity, transparent report, and here you can see some numbers. The last 30 days, over 1 million users and withdrawals, minings, etc. Learn to explain video introduction. Here you have a small video who explain it again. And the team, Robert Lashner and so on, the founders and creators, and the most important people on this project. If you want to contact them directly, just type into this form and send the message. Their partners, for sure, Huobi, DeFi Box, Coinbase, etc. And let's have a look how exactly this is working. If we just push this button, get started on the website, okay? Then you come on the dashboard. You have now to connect your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you have. And if you are connected, you can start to earn money. Retransfer out mining income. If you click on that, you have received $100 earned earnings are available for withdrawal. Please check back within 6 hours. So this is somehow I have already done it. You have already received. But if you are starting here, just click on that button and you have $100 extra easily to earn. And you can see here output details and the quantity of the different token TRX, ETH and USDT. Already they have here liquidity pool over 46 million US dollar in their liquidity pool. So you can see here some nice buttons. Home, my pool. My pool is right now empty, more or less. You have here this 100 USDT, right? And you can earn right now 0.3% until 0.37% every 6 hours. And the more US dollar you have in your wallet here, because this is always connected with your wallet, with your MetaMask wallet. The more you have, the more liquidity you give, the more you can earn. You see here from over 1,000 US dollars, you have here 1.2 to 1.5% every 6 hours interest, right? And if this is not enough for you, you can see here the withdrawal, the ETH. If you have ETH, you can exchange it to USDT, TRX, and for sure withdraw all the money you have, all USDT you have. You can every time withdraw it. And you can see here, if you don't have enough even with this interest, you can even earn up to 5% commission in compound DeFi. That means they also offer a referral plan. You see here level 1, 2, 3. It goes 3 levels up, and it is easy to do it. Just click here on referral. You have here the link. Your link is here. Okay. Just copy it and paste it anywhere. Anywhere you think people use this link. People want to click on that link and they will come exactly on this side to start also their interest. To start to get their interest, right? And that's easy. They just explain it in 3 steps. Get the link. You always get the link if you if you connect just your wallet, you have then your link, right? And invite some friends. And 3rd step is earn crypto, because everyone who provide liquidity, everyone you bring here to DeFi, to compound DeFi, you will earn commission for that, because this person you bring to compound DeFi, he brings liquidity, and that is very easy to understand. You earn money with every person you bring to compound DeFi. And here's your account. You can click on that. Really, right now I just start to make the video. I must go also more deep inside this. But for me, for myself, it's clear. I will put now everywhere under every video this link, because it's a good thing to provide liquidity and earn passive income. You can withdraw always your money. You can withdraw always your US dollar, USDT, and you earn every 6 hours a lot of interest. I mean, if you decide just to park your money somewhere, right? Just to park the money for 6 hours, 12 hours or longer, and you know every 6 hours, for example, $500, okay, 500 USDT, I get every 6 hours minimum 1%. So that's per day, 4%, right? Per day. So calculate this per month. But this is how it works, guys. We have always this spread, right, outside on the market, and everyone earn with this spread. If you exchange from crypto to USDT, everyone earn money with this exchanging, with the spread. Now you can earn money with it because you provide this liquidity. That's easy to understand, I hope. If you have some questions, guys, please let me know. Write it down into the comments. What do you think about compounddefi? I think it's a very good tool to have here, a good passive income. And I think we will follow up this project. It's not even a project, it is an already working company. Yes, it is. And you can see a lot of things are already going on. I mean, 46 million USDT already in a liquidity pool, and you can see all the addresses here in quantities, what people already earn. If you want to earn also every 6 hours a lot of interest and have a passive income, if you don't want to trade anymore, you don't know how the market is going on and whatever, but people exchange every day their crypto, and now you can participate in that, right? So just enter compounddefi. Let me know what you think about this project. Leave me a like, and for sure subscribe if you want to see every day the newest and hottest projects on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits, guys, and see you later, alligator. Bye.